How was your day at school? Hey kids, I'm so glad you're back home.
Hey, Mom.
Hey!
How was your day at school?
It was good. I had the result back from my history assignment.
Oh?
You know, the one I was fretting about.
Oh yes, I know. The one about the voyages of Columbus.
Yep, that's the one. Well, it turns out I know more about it than I thought. I aced it.
That's fantastic, sweetheart. Well done, you. See? Hard work and perseverance really do pay off.
It sounds like your day was better than mine then.
Why, what's up? Did something happen?
It wasn't too bad, really. It's just the day I have double science with Mr. Todd, and I find him hard to work with sometimes. Science isn't my best subject, and I feel like I'm bottom of the class. Art was great, though. We are adding the final adjustments to our plans before we begin sculpting next week. I'm really looking forward to getting stuck in and seeing my drawings come to life.
Oh, that's hard with science. We all have subjects we're not suited to, but it sounds like art is your thing. It's great you can work on long-term projects and complete the entire process from beginning to end.
Definitely. I think my future is full of art.
That's great.
It is, too. I was allowed to go into the art department, and it really is something to shout about.
I'm so proud of both of you. School can be tough sometimes, but you two are great at picking yourselves back up and carrying on. Let's do the laundry. Hey, sweetheart, can you come and do the laundry with me?
Of course. Why?
Well, now you're getting older. It's time you learned. So you can do your own from now on and help me out.
Okay.
The first thing you need to do is sort the dirty laundry. It's so important to keep white laundry separate from colors because the dye can leak and turn them into different colors.
Oh, that would be a nightmare. I didn't know that.
Definitely. Okay, let's get started. Great. Now that we've sorted it, let's load the washer.
The washer is loaded, Mom.
Great. Now shut the door and add the detergent.
How much detergent should we use?
If it's full, like this load, fill the lid and pour it all around. Here, you do it.
Okay.
Then, to get started, press the on button. And for a normal load, use this setting. Now we're going to wait for the cycle to finish.
Great. How long does it take?
Around an hour. Then we'll come back and hang the clothes on the line.
Cool.
Look, it's finished. Let's take the clothes out and put them into the basket.
All the clothes are clean now, and they smell good too. What a nice smell.
It's time to hang them on the clothesline. Then fasten them on with the clothes pegs.
Mom, all the clothes are dry now. Shall we take them off the line?
Yes, let's gather them into the basket.
Okay.
Turn them right side out and fold them to be ready for ironing.
Oh, wow, ironing! That's a new skill entirely.
Ha! Yes, it is. Now the ironing is finished, so you can help me put the clothes away in the wardrobe. Let's match the socks so we don't lose any. And if we do happen to find one without a partner, we have an odd sock bag.
Really? I never knew that. Doing the laundry is fun, I love sorting socks. Thanks for showing me, Mom.
Cleaning the room. Wakey, wakey, sleepyhead.
Huh?
I know it's the weekend, but it's almost lunchtime, and your room is in a state. We haven't got too long before we're off to Annie Nicky's this afternoon for a barbecue. I need you to get up and start sorting it.
Okay, Mom. How long have I got?
About 2 hours. But if you get started right away, there'll be plenty of time.
Sure. Honestly, Mom, I don't know where to start.
I'm not surprised. There's stuff in every corner, and I haven't seen carpet for at least a week.
Ha!
The best plan would be to start by putting away the clothes. Sort the dirty from the clean and put them wherever they need to go.
Okay.
Then you need to pick up all the litter and packets lying around and bring them down to the bin along with the used plates, bowls, and mugs. Once you've done that and have everything back where it should be, empty the bins and dust the shelves.
Okay, where is the duster?
Down in the utility room with all the other cleaning products.
Cool.
Then lastly, bring the vacuum cleaner up and get the last of the crumbs and dust off the floor.
I hate tidying up, Mom. It's so boring. It's so tiring.
I know, but if you let your room get in this state, you've got to be responsible for sorting it back out again.
I guess you're right.
Anyway, you love it when everything is nice and clean afterwards.
That's right. I don't like living in a room cluttered with objects.
Go to the bathroom first, and then you can start tidying and cleaning. I'll be downstairs if you need me.
Okay, Mom. Preparing for a garage sale. Kids, your mom and I have been talking, and it's time to sort this house out. We have stuff piled so high, it's getting hard to move around. And the thing is, I bet most of it is stuff we don't even want or need anymore.
Yes, we were looking through the playroom, and most of it's too young for you. Or you just don't play with it.
Definitely. We hardly go in there anymore because the space feels babyish.
Maybe if we clear it, we could update it and transform it into somewhere we both want to be. That's a great idea.
We'd be happy to redecorate it for you and turn it back into a usable space.
Amazing!
Okay, but it's up to you guys to do the clearing and sorting.
Then, the plan is to do a garage sale. We can use the dollars we make to fund the makeover.
Exactly. So, we need you to go in and start sorting everything into 3 piles. One for the things you'd like to keep, one for items to sell, and the other that won't sell or recycle can go in the trash. No worries.
It's likely to take you the best part of the day. But we want to hold the garage sale this weekend before the good weather changes. So you must work quickly.
Okay, we'll start as soon as we finish our lunch.
Dad, these are the items we chose for sale. Well done, kids. You've done a terrific job. We still need to price the items we want to sell. We should get up early in the morning and do a little setting up. We must group items on separate tables. We should put kitchen items on one table and toys on another table.
The garage sale.
Everything looks good. Let the garage sale begin.
Hopefully lots of people will stop by, and we can make some extra cash and have a clear garage at the end of the day.
Definitely.
Don't worry, we'll do our best.
I know you will. You sorted your playroom out, and we did some sorting from around the house, too. Ooh, look. Here comes Mrs. Mays and her granddaughter from down the road. There must be something they would like. There's something for everyone here.
Hello, dears. Hi, Mrs. Mays. welcome to our garage sale. Thank you. This is my granddaughter, Holly, and we thought we'd pop over and see if she'd like anything. However, I can see there are lots of things for adults to look at, too.
Definitely. There's something for everyone.
Holly, here are some toys you might be interested in. There are lots of books and games and things you might like in your bedroom.
Thank you. I love anything to do with nature.
Oh, well, how about this bug hunt set? You can search around your grandma's garden and record your findings in this notebook.
Wow, I love it. Grandma, can I have it?
How much would you like for it? Just $1. It's good to see it going to a new home. Wonderful. Here you go. Thank you. Enjoy your new bug hunting set, Holly.
Hello, Mrs. Mays. How can we help you?
That's such a beautiful vase. That would look beautiful on my shelves. How much would you like for it?
It's yours for just $2.
Bargain. Thank you so much. I hope you do well today. Barbecue time. What time is everyone arriving, Mom?
I've said that they can arrive any time from 3 p.m. So we've got an hour to finish preparing the food and setting everything up.
No worries. What can I do next to help?
Let me see. I've made the blueberry pie. That's in the fridge. And I'm just about to make the vegetable salad. Your dad is in charge of the barbecue and preparing the meat. Sweetheart, could you lay the table in the backyard?
Of course. How many guests are coming in total?
There's the 4 of us, the Brandings from down the road, and Mr. and Mrs. Gomez. That's 10 in total.
No worries. I'll do that now.
What can I do, Mom?
Can you start making the lemonade? You made it for the school festival, so I know you're a genius at making it just right.
No worries. I love making lemonade. I'm also going to make orange juice. I love its bright color and refreshing taste.
That's a great plan. Okay, what else needs doing? Brad, have you prepared the hot dogs and hamburgers?
Yep, they're all ready to go. I need to light the barbecue in the next 10 minutes so it's hot enough to start cooking.
Great. And have you remembered the corn on the cob?
Oh, no, I haven't. Thank you for reminding me. Where is it stored?
The back fridge. I'm just heading that way to get the vegetables for the salad. I'll bring them out at the same time.
Thanks, love. This is going to be a great barbecue. Who is leaving poop? Love, come onto the lawn.
Oh no, is there poop again?
Yes, I already scooped 2 last night, and there was another one this morning.
You're joking with me.
I wish I was.
I think it's time we get to the bottom of this. The kids keep stepping in it, and it's not our job to tidy up after somebody else's dog. It's irresponsible of the dog owner and just a bit unfair. Did you set the video up to try and capture the act?
Yes, let's have a look. Here it is.
Let's start with last night.
Aha! I think we have our perpetrator.
Is that Fluffy from over the road?
I believe it is. I think I need a chat with Mr. Coldhill. Hi there, Mr. Coldhill. Could I have a word? Sure, what's up? Recently, we've been finding lots of dog poop on our lawn. We set up a video last night, and it turns out it's Fluffy. Oh, I'm so sorry. He keeps escaping through the fence and must head over to your lawn before returning. My first job today is fixing the fence so he cannot get out. Ah, a little Houdini, is he? Yes, he's lovely, but a little difficult. He's only a pup, so hopefully he'll calm down soon. I'll make sure he doesn't escape again, though. I really am very sorry. If you find any more, please knock, and I'll come over and scoop it. Thank you so much.
Vacation plans.
Lily, let's make plans for this summer vacation. Where would you like to go?
Unfortunately, I think Mom and Dad have already made reservations for Pine Acres.
Are you serious? But we've already been there twice, and I'd like to try somewhere new. I'd like something more adventurous.
Yeah, I'd like that too.
They surely can cancel the reservation. We'd better go camping.
It's too risky. It's been raining so much lately, so going camping is not a good idea either.
So, what do you suggest?
We could take a houseboat cruise. Traveling in a houseboat can be a unique experience.
What a wonderful idea! Mom and Dad will love it. A houseboat cruise? Yeah, it sounds very interesting. But maybe next summer. This summer we're going to Pine Acres. It's already booked. Sorry. But you can cancel it, right? No, it's too late to cancel.
Hey, Brad, why don't we ask our parents? They loved their vacation to Pine Acres a few years ago. I'm sure they'll be delighted to be able to go there again. Maybe they can go together.
Yeah, we could try to talk them into it. Anyway, don't get your hopes up about this. They might have other plans for this summer.
Yeah, sure, but it's worth trying.
Lily, Rob, please come downstairs. I've got news for you. Listen, I've spoken to your grandparents.
And?
They agreed to go on vacation together to Pine Acres.
Seriously? That's awesome!
And I have another surprise for you. Your dad and I have booked a houseboat for the 15th of July.
Wow! We're going to have the best vacation ever!
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.